Hello and welcome to another video. Today I have this hedge trimmer. It comes with a safety guard for the blade. This blade, as you can see, it's quite wide, so you can handle pretty big branches with this. You have a safety switch to turn it on as well. On the bottom is where the battery goes. This is the battery. What else is included in the package? You've got the charger as well. There you go. The charger plugs into the battery right here to charge. You do have this guard to keep branches and twigs being blasted back at you, so you're just gonna slide it on like this. There you go. And this is the handle. This will also protect your hand from rubbing into branches. To install and remove the battery, you're gonna slide in like this, press this button and pull it back out to remove. This handle is 180 degrees rotatable, so you're going to press this button on top and then you spin it, and you can see you can make it sideways if that's more comfortable for you, or you can leave it in place like this or the other way around depending on how it's more comfortable for you. If you're using it like this, then that might be what you want to do instead of trying to like grasp it at a weird angle. So this rotating this handle will actually balance the trimmer better as well. So as I rotate it, I can see how I'm not straining my wrist. So it's really nice that they made that handle rotatable. Another beneficial thing is this is less than 5 pounds. I believe this is 3.5 pounds or so in weight. So it makes it really light but really easy to use. So let's go ahead and get trimming. Okay, so I have my handy dandy tarp under my bush. I'm ready to trim. We're gonna just hit that safety button on the side here and then press the trigger. You can see how it immediately starts working. No gas, no exhaust in your face, no pulling the cord. Let's get going. Looks pretty good for 2 minutes of work. This is a pretty sharp blade because it's brand new. You do have to oil it from time to time. One thing I did want to mention on this trimmer is when you have the guard running, you can actually see the percentage. So right now it's showing 75%. It might be difficult to catch on the camera, but there is a screen that shows the current battery percentage, which is really helpful. I'm really happy with how well this is working for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.